Hello, today we're gonna be doing web skills from grade 5 CAPS content under geography. So the topics we're going to cover today, we're gonna be doing the world map and campus direction. We're gonna be doing Africa as a continent. We're gonna be looking into the physical map of Africa and the images of Southern Africa. So our first topic being the world map and campus direction. A compass is a line that divides either the North and the South Pole, or it can either divide the East and the West Pole. But today we're gonna be looking onto the North and the South Pole. And on our world, on our Earth, the North Pole is the upper part, and the South Pole is the down part. Then we're gonna be learning about the continents we have. So, all in all, we have seven continents, being the North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Moving on, a compass has what we call sub-directions. We all know that a compass only gives directions for north, south, east, and west. But a compass can also be used on getting directions like northwest, southwest, east, south, and what? Northeast. Yes. So all in all, a compass gives us eight directions, being there north, south, east, west, southwest, northeast, east, south, and the northwest. Then we move on to our next topic, being Africa, our continent. So the location of Africa in the world map. Africa is located in the southern part of the earth. Remember, we talked about the east and the north and the south pole, and we said the south pole is in the down part, and that's why we have most of our African continent. Then we have different oceans that are located in Africa, and I've written them from the largest to the biggest. The first one, we have Pacific Ocean, followed by the Atlantic Ocean, followed by the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and lastly, the Antarctic Ocean. Then we have countries and borders in Africa. We have a border in Botswana. No, we have a country called Botswana, and its border is located in Namibia. We have a country named Chad, and the border is found in Libya. We have a country named Djibouti, and the border is located in Eritrea. We have Kenya as a country, and the border located in Ethiopia. And we also have Lesotho, and the border is surrounded by Southern Africa. Then we have capital cities of South Africa. We have Cape Town, Bloemfontein, and Pretoria. As you can see, the image above is the Pretoria image. Pretoria is mostly recognized by its trees and the buildings. Then we have physical maps of South Africa. And one the features that we have in South Africa, it can be the mountains, the lakes, the waterfalls, and the desert. And location of physical features on the map. So we're gonna be only doing one of each mountain, one of each lake, river, waterfall, and desert. So we have our main mountain being Mountain Kilimanjaro, which is located in Tanzania. And then we also have a lake, Lake Victoria, also found in Tanzania. We have rivers, for example, the Nile River that used to flow through Egypt and is found in the southern part of Africa. Then we also have our most popular desert being the Sahara Desert, that is located in the North Africa. If you wonder how the Sahara Desert looks, you watch movies, so you should know how the Sahara Desert looks. Then we have the Namib Desert that is located in the southern Africa. Then lastly, we have images of South Africa. As you can see in figure 10, we have a world globe that has grid lines on it. So grid lines are used to give directions when you can't find the exact direction or coordinates. So for example, let's look at South America. South America is at 20 degrees east and 160 degrees west. So that's how we read grid lines, same as we do at maths when we locate coordinates. Then in figure 11, we have the landscape of Africa. So Africa is mostly, how can I put it? Africa is mostly slopey. Some places are slopey and some places are just straight. So the diagram I've shown you here is a slopey part with a little bit of a mountain. And as you all know, this is our most famous desert, the Sahara Desert. So that's all we were doing today. Thank you for your attention. Signing out.